Yo, what's up guys? Tommy here. These are the Monkey Banana Gibbon Air speakers. So what I'm going to do is open the box, show you what's inside, and well, of course I'm going to listen to them a little bit, record it, and at the end of the video I'm going to share my thoughts with you. These come for 200 euros, so they're not cheap by any means, especially if whoever's coming from a kit. For example, I had the previous kit from Logitech, which cost around 70 euros, so I'm going to make a comparison between them, right? It costs 3 times more. Is it 3 times better? We're gonna find out. I will be using them to record my DJ sets here at home. Yeah, let's take a closer look. And here they are, folks. So we got the active speaker, which is quite heavy. Of course, way heavier than the passive speaker, right? The passive speaker only has audio input, which is going to come from the active speaker. And by the way, the cable is included, so you're going to connect both of them with this cable over here. Alright? What other cables come in the box? So we got 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. It's also known as P2. It's really nice that you can connect a source, so let's say a phone or even your computer in the front. So you have input here, which is auxiliary in, so that could be used for that. The other cable that's included, it's 3.5 millimeter to RCA, you can see. So yeah, depending on the source, you could also plug it this part on the source and the 3.5 millimeter here. But the other thing you could do is use the back for connection. So basically you have input over here, the RCA. So you can use that. There is no XLR on the speakers, but I will be using them for my computer and DJ controller, so it's probably not going to make too much of a difference without an XLR connection, right? We got a high filter equalizer and a low filter, low frequency equalizer. This one's also high frequency. The AC input, which is the last cable. Voltage selector, okay. And there is also a sub output if you want to connect a subwoofer, which I still don't have, but maybe in the future. So these are stickers, so they're kind of rubber stickers. You're supposed to stick them at the bottom of the speaker, so it's going to vibrate a bit less. Pretty cool. And also the manual, which is always very important, no joke. I think that's it for the back. I'm going to put them on my desk and I will just listen to them, play some music, and then share my thoughts with you. Let's go. I have been using the Gibbon Air speakers for almost a week now, so I can share my thoughts with you. One thing that I really like about it is the Bluetooth connectivity. It's one of the reasons I bought them. So basically it's pretty easy and straightforward to connect my computer, my phone, my MacBook, and also my TV. So it's pretty easy to switch. The Bluetooth is pretty responsive. so it's pretty easy to switch between devices. That's nice. Sometimes I just plug my phones. It has a headphone out on the front. The source button, so you can swap between the RCA input on the back and the Bluetooth, which is pretty awesome. Mainly I use it for regular music listening all day via Bluetooth, and also a lot of times I use with my DJ controller here. It's the Tractor S4, so I'm connecting them via RCA. The quality is amazing. Yeah, so I've been playing a little bit, having such a good time. But like my final conclusion about the product is that it's definitely not worth 200 euros, at least for me, because my previous kit was a Logitech Z337, which cost 70 euros, and they sound as good as this or even better because it has a big subwoofer. So the takeaway, I guess, is that the 4-inch speakers here, they lack on the bass. Even though it has an EQ on the back, I turned the bass all the way up, but it's still not there, it's lacking. There is a sub out, so at some point I'm gonna have to buy a sub, of course, but you know, this costs almost 3 times more and I'm still gonna have to buy a sub. So if you're looking for a kit for your environment, like mine here is like nothing professional, it's just for fun, desktop speakers, let's say, so I think you're much better buying the Logitech, for example. It has exactly the same connectivity, exactly the same, and yeah, it costs three times less, and they sound really nice. So I'm gonna keep them because yeah, I'm not really into returning goods, you know. I'm the one who decided to buy this, but of course I'm not disappointed. Like they sound pretty good, I guess. You can turn the volume up and it's not going to distort or anything, but it's kind of pointless here in my apartment. I'm gonna complain, have neighbors complaining, but yeah, I'm having a good time, so kind of mixed feelings about it, but that's it. I hope this video helped you make your decision, either buy or not, I don't know, but yeah, there you go. So stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.